Hi everyone, welcome to Create Eat Happy. This is OCHIKERON. Today I wanted to show you how to make ramen pizza. I used Shio ramen, which is my favorite, but you can use any ramen you like. I hope you enjoy my idea and I hope you can try it out. Here are the ingredients. Like I said, you can use any instant ramen available. Cook the noodles for 2 minutes. Drain well. Place in a bowl. Add some pizza cheese, half packet of seasoning powder. Then mix well. Now place pizza cheese on a frying pan. Cook on medium-low for 2 minutes until crisp golden brown at the bottom, then flip it over. This cheese base is going to help the ramen stay together. Place the ramen noodles and press flat. Flip it over and cook on medium for 3 minutes. Then again flip it over and place the toppings. I ran out of pizza cheese, so I used grated parmesan cheese and it turned out really delicious, so you have to try it out. Cover and cook on low for 10 minutes. Serve on a dish, then cut. Sprinkle with ground sesame seeds, which comes with Shio ramen. And now it's done! Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.
一緒に食べようよ、パパ。
はい。あれ、ピザのお皿持ってきてる。ほら、カリカリだよ。OK？美味しいですね。
オッケー。
美味しいね。
食べたままで残ってるの。